intro.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Recently, I came across this arc generator kit online. So I purchased this and thought of making a gas lighter. So these are the components you get along with a PCB. First we'll solder the components. After soldering, this is how it looks. It works on 3.5 to 5 volt supply. So I'll use single 18650 cell. And this way it creates powerful electric arc. Now to make the lighter, we'll design the frame and 3D print. So this is the frame after 3D print. The battery goes in this holder and the circuit at the front. Finally, this is how it looks. That's all for this video. If you are interested with this arc generator circuit, you can check the product link in the description box. For more videos, stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you for watching.